Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now with simple but essential actions. Sit comfortably and perform Netra Dharana for 5-10 minutes, focusing softly on a distant point to train fixation. Once done, prepare Triphala decoction and use as a gentle eye wash, or take 1/2 teaspoon in warm water to support ocular cleansing. Make sure to reduce screen time and add amla, carrots, and leafy greens to meals. These provide antioxidants that nourish ocular tissues and support long-term clarity. You continue by integrating targeted practices. Do eye exercises like palming, rapid blinking, and gentle saccades, 10 cycles each, twice daily, to strengthen muscles and improve circulation. Next, perform a warm ghee periorbital massage for 2 to 3 minutes to soothe nerves and lubricate lids. This helps tear film balance. Also, incorporate Triphala tablets and, when needed, apply Brahmi oil externally around the eyes once a week to calm inflammation and support nerve repair. You finish by consolidating progress. Maintain this routine for 6 to 8 weeks before judging improvement because tissues adapt slowly. Make sure to track symptoms. If you experience pain, sudden vision change, or persistent redness, stop home treatments and seek a clinician promptly. Finally, refine lifestyle. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of sleep, reduce caffeine and fried foods, and gradually increase greens and hydrating fluids. These steps support healing and prevent setbacks, and they amplify the herb's beneficial effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.